Right, the Flowerhorn. The water is now cleared. Only takes an hour, like I said. He's got some salmon. Straight on it. He's the only one who'll eat it, actually. I did cut him 4 pieces, little chunks. I mean, that's a decent meal for him, isn't it? The first salmon that I got was the sheets of salmon, and also a piece. Like, you've got the fish, and they cut the piece. They cut pieces, so it's probably about 4 inches, maybe 5 inches in length, and maybe 1.5 inches, and about 1.5 inches thick. So he'll get a good few meals out of it. And he does like salmon. None of the other fish will touch it. Weird. Oscars that won't eat salmon. Jaguar that won't eat salmon. But he's a gourmet, so he'll eat any. He's put it away already. You remember when he had that salmon that time and he kept spitting it out and it looked like he had a tongue? So that's gone right down. Sorry, I didn't mean to look down your throat there. I reckon he would have ate more, but you don't want to turn him into a fat bastard. He might develop a gunt. He might. You know that when people say that, it always makes me laugh. Gunt. And when they say 500 pounder or 600 pound, that makes me laugh too. I can't remember, I was watching and what's her name was out in Kuwait and they kept saying that she was out gunting around. But anyway, he's had his decent feed. Probably give him some bloodworms later on. Showing off. See, he swims about like this and then he hides in the corner. Sometimes when you try and film him, you know, and it totally ruins any kind of video that you were going to record. Well, we'll leave him to gunt around in his tank. Probably take it to 4 minutes. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.